Big old black box. All right, what we got? We got head and face scrub with step 1. Okay. All right, so step 1 is exfoliate. Shake well, pump the product into the palm of your hand and apply to a wet head and face. You know, people ask me when I wash my face how far up I wash. Just wash the whole thing. What we got next? We got head and face wash, shave soap, cleanse. Pump the product into the palm of your hand and apply to a wet head and face. Work into the head and face and gently rub into the skin. Rinse thoroughly to use. Oh, and then you can use it as a shave soap as well. Oh man, that smells pretty good. It smells minty. What else we got? Shine away. A little bit of anti-shine. I don't have. Oh man, I guess I do have a bit of shine going on. Oh man, look at that. Shake well. Squeeze product onto a cotton round or cotton ball. Thoroughly work into the skin on your head and face. Let it air dry. Ooh, fuck me. Man. Oh, peppermint oil. Okay. That explains a lot. The last thing, which I think is going to take over from the moisturizer for it puts on my head. Some moisturizing balm. Remove a small amount of balm and rub it into the palms of your hands to liquefy. Apply it to your head and face and thoroughly work into the skin. Just seeing what it's got in it. Coconut oil, beeswax, almond oil, grapeseed oil. So I'm gonna start using these and see if it makes a difference. This is the bald head care, dude. A 4-step plan for your bald head. Exfoliate, cleanse, balance, and protect. Well, thank you to Mountaineer Brand for sending that along. Definitely gonna get some use out of that. And if you want 15% off at mountaineerbrand.com, you can use code YOUNGBEEF.